In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Zoom microphone on iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, I'm just going to scroll down through the menu until I find Apps. Depending on where you are on the page, you may need to go a little farther down, so just keep scrolling until that option appears. As soon as I see Apps, I'm going to tap on it. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Zoom. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, I'm going to scroll down until I get to the Z section. I'm just moving through the list looking for Zoom, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the settings for that app. Now that I'm in the Zoom settings, I'm looking for the microphone option. This is the setting we need for this process, so I'm just checking through the page until I find it. Once I see microphone, there should be a toggle next to it. To turn on the Zoom microphone on iPhone, all I need to do here is tap that switch so it turns on. Once the toggle is on, that means Zoom now has microphone access enabled on this iPhone. There's no extra save button to press, and there's no separate confirmation step in these instructions. The change takes effect right away as soon as that switch is turned on, so once it's enabled, you're done. I'll just go over the path again while I'm here so it's easy to remember. We opened Settings, then scrolled down and tapped on Apps. After that, we found and opened Zoom. And once we got into the Zoom settings, we turned on Microphone. That's the full process from start to finish. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time while moving through the apps list, because that's usually the only part that takes a little longer. Once you get to Zoom, the rest is very straightforward. You just open the settings, look for microphone, and turn it on. So I'm still here on the Zoom settings page, and I can quickly double check the toggle before leaving. As long as the microphone switch is on, then Zoom microphone access is enabled. That makes it easy to confirm the setting at a glance before you back out. Once that's done, you can simply return to the previous screen or close the settings app completely, and your change will already be applied. There's nothing else you need to adjust in this process, and no additional menus involved beyond this one setting, so that's how to turn on Zoom microphone on iPhone. Just open Settings, go to Apps, tap on Zoom, and then turn on Microphone. That's all you need to do, and once you know where the setting is, it only takes a moment to find and enable.